Hi, I'm Nadine Gilkison,
And I'm Mackenzie Gilkison.
and today we're going to be showing you different ways to integrate Select to Speak in a classroom setting using a Chromebook. So, Mackenzie, what are some of the shortcuts to remember?
When you want to highlight a word, you double tap on the touchpad.
Mm-hmm.
When you want to highlight the whole text, you want to triple tap on the touchpad.
Okay, so we're going to demonstrate really quickly on this slide first. So, Mackenzie, why don't you show us if we wanted to have the word up at the top of the screen red?
Only one word?
Yes, only one word.
So you want to double tap. Oh, wait, yeah, you have to click on it first. Then you have to double tap, and then you have to hit the
You have to hold down the search key and tap S.
Shortcuts.
Okay, pretty cool. So now demonstrate for us, what if you need that entire piece read aloud?
Well, then you hit it 3 times.
Okay, and then hold down search.
S.
Shortcuts to remember.
Which is pretty cool. Okay, so we know that it works in that fashion, but let's see what that application looks like in different fashions here. So we're inside a Google Classroom, and let's say that the teacher has given you a lesson on Wednesday. So Mackenzie, show us how you could have Wednesday read aloud to you.
Since I have an assignment, I don't know what the word is, and I'll hit it 3 times. And then I'll hit the search bar, then S.
Wednesday. Lesson 2.5 Practice with Powers of 10 Assignment 2.5 HL.
Okay, now if you didn't realize this, so on the screen here, we see that we have different options. So in other words, if Mackenzie wanted to change the speed of how fast that this is reading it out loud, then she has that option. If she wanted to play it again, she could hit play. It will also continue from where it left off. So you're not having to constantly highlight, just one area at a time. So this works anywhere with TrueType text. Let's try a couple other examples just so that they have an idea. So let's pretend like that your teacher has you reading an article from Time for Kids. I picked something from the SpaceX. So Mackenzie, on here, let's say that the teacher wants you to read this portion. And this time, I want you to show us how you highlight the entire thing.
Well, how to highlight the entire thing is you want to hit it 1, 2, 3. Oh, right, yeah. There we go.
Quickly, yes.
And then you want to hit
hold down search
and then S.
After 3 days of orbiting the planet, the Inspiration 4 crew returned to Earth in the SpaceX Dragon capsule. On September 18th, the crew splashed down in the Atlantic Ocean off the Florida coast.
Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's show you one more example on here as well. So let's say that the teacher has given them an assignment that is in Google Slides. So we have in here a example of what they might be doing in class. Maybe she can't read the first slide and she's not sure what the topic is. So she's going to go in here and have it read.
Physical science.
Okay, and if she wanted the other parts read aloud too, then she could. Well, let's go to an actual assignment slide. All right, so Mackenzie, what would you do? So pretend you're in class and the teacher tells you that you're going to do this activity and you're on your own independently. What would you do to help you?
Well, I realized that it's really hard to read all those words because they're really small and it's really hard to see. So then I would just take my touchpad, go up to it, and I would hop on it to where you could see it, to where there's a little dot blinking. And then I would hit it 3 times, go to the search bar, and then go to the S.
Explain how the 4 key components of flight apply to paper airplanes. Start with the basic version, then select 2 other types to create. Analyze and compare the data from the 3 different types you select.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
All right, high five. Yeah.